What is up, everybody? Today we're going to be replacing the hoses, vacuum hoses, on the 335i. The only two things that you should need for this project are a knife and vacuum hose. Well, team, being the YouTube mechanic I am, I dropped a bolt. Now, it would be advised to not drop the cover bolt down into the abyss. So we're gonna try to figure out where it went and go from there. Okay, status update. The bolt is lost, but who actually needs all of their bolts on their car? Weight reduction, right? Okay. The reason why we take this off is because there's a vacuum line. There's two of them actually that run right here. Anyway, so these are the ones that you're looking for. So you're going to want to start with just one at a time. So pull off one of the vacuum lines and then just follow it and then pull it where it comes from. And then we'll measure the new vacuum line and then cut that. So the reason why you want to do the vacuum line is because it can crack and can lead to boost leaks. Okay, so I replaced what I could. I did these two top ones, this middle one, and then this line that runs all the way down under there. So let's take her out for a spin and see how she does. Guys, so you shouldn't notice that much of a difference with the vacuum hoses, but it is that sort of maintenance thing so that you don't have boost leaks or anything like that. So we're just testing out the car, seeing how if there's any problems with it. Seeing if the boost is good. Guys, everything seems to be all normal, so this is definitely something that you should do for maintenance and be on the lookout for if you are having any sort of boost leaks. But if you like this video, be sure to give it a like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in another video.